Java is one of the greatest programming language, and today we are going to learn about the user interface using Java. And we'll use any kind of a browser, either you have Chrome or Edge or Opera, but in my case I'll be using the Chrome. So let's search for the scene builder so that we can install the scene builder externally. So we'll search for the Gluon scene builder, since the Gluon is the one that offers the scene builder. The Oracle company recently stopped building the scene builder. So this application, so let's go to the main homepage, and this is how it looks like. And you can see there, you can just decide to download there, or we'll just scroll down so that I can show you some more options. So we have different versions of scene builder, and we have currently we are on version 16, as you can see. Then we have the application for different operating systems. As you can see, we have for Windows, Mac. So we also have for Java 8 scene builder for Java 8. If you have Java 8 or lower installed on your PC, you can decide to go for scene builder for Java 8 and download depending on your operating system. In my case, I have Java 11, so I'll be going for higher scene builder. So I'll download it, and see here it gives me a thank you notification. So as you can see, it's downloaded, and I'll have to cancel since I've already downloaded it. And so yeah, so that's how we'll be getting the scene builder. So let's get to installation. So having downloaded our scene builder, so the next thing is to install it. So I'll go to my installer and click on the scene builder, and pop-up notification appears. Click on run, so install, and we'll just click on to the next, then accept the license agreement, then click on next, then set this as your default installation path, then next, then hit the install button, and it's installing, and this will take a couple of few seconds on it. So, and it's done. So I'll click on the finish button, and boom, that's it. That's how we install the scene builder. So the next step will be linking our scene builder to our intelliJ. So all I'll have to do is go to intelliJ and onto the file, then go to settings. Onto the settings, so you'll go to languages and frameworks, then JavaFX, and our default path location. Let me show you what I'm trying to tell you. So our default for scene builder installation path should be on local disk C, then program files, then scene builder, then we'll go to our execution or the application file. As you can see, the detail here, it says it's an application. So this will be our navigation. So all you have to do is click here and copy the path, so that way. Then we'll go to our scene builder, then it will be the same way as navigating to our scene builder path. All I'll have to do is copying the path and pasting it, as you can see that way. Then I'll click onto the scene builder, see here, then locate the application file. So where is the application.exe? You see this scene builder.exe, which means it's an execution file. So I'll click that, then okay, and I'll click on apply, then okay, and boom, we have already linked our scene builder to our intelliJ IDE. If you go to our file, then if you go to our file, then new, then project, and this time round I want to create a JavaFX. Okay, JavaFX of version 11, depending on the version that you want. I'll go with version 8. So next, then project name will be maybe build a trial, then finish. Then you have to wait for all the files to be loaded. And on our FXML, as you can see, we have a scene builder which is internal. If you're using intelliJ ID, as you can see, this is it. But as you can see, it has some complications. I have quite some issues while I'm using it, so that's why I'm just to use the external scene builder. So since we have already linked our scene builder, all you have to do is right click onto the sample. See here, sample, then right click on it, then go to open on in scene builder, and this will take a couple of few seconds, and boom. Yeah, so this is it. So the advantages of using the external scene builder is that JavaFX being the new framework, you'll need more space for creating your for creating your user interface, and you can see the comparison between the external. As you can see, the surface is large, you can use it anyhowly, but if we go to our internal scene builder, say, then I may decide to use, extend it, but no controller, so I'll have to manually link the controller, unlike the external one. So if we go to our external one, see, we have our controller here. All you have to do is call. Actually, it has already detected it, and here it is. And it's more vast compared to the internal scene builder. And yeah, so that's it. And remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.